My name's Alex Turner. I just finished my second year at Harvard University, and I grew up in Boulder, Colorado, where I also attended undergraduate. Go Buffaloes! After finishing undergraduate, I moved to Harvard, and I'm presently living in Berkeley, California on my CSGF practicum. My subject area is atmospheric chemistry. More specifically, I use satellite observations to try and improve our understanding of the carbon cycle. So how methane and CO2 cycle between the atmosphere and the biospheres. So methane in particular is a very important molecule in the atmosphere for two main reasons. The first being it's the second largest radiative forcer after carbon dioxide. The second is that it's actually also important for air quality because the formation of ground level ozone occurs through the oxidation of hydrocarbons, such as methane, in the presence of NOx. Or one issue with methane in particular is that the sources aren't well quantified. So there's a large natural component and a large component due to human influence. What I'm trying to do specifically is use observations from satellites to help improve our understanding of these sources and the underlying physical processes driving those sources. My favorite aspect of the DOE CSGF is probably that it's helped to broaden my perspective on science and my own research. So an example of this would be actually the program review, or the yearly program review that we have in DC, where we hear talks and see posters from the other fellows. And a lot of these talks are in fields that are radically different from mine, but they might be using techniques that are actually quite similar. For example, I heard a talk yesterday by a nuclear engineer who's using the same mathematical technique that I do, and they actually developed an approach to get over a memory limitation. And this is actually a big limitation in my field as well, and so I might be able to apply this similar approach to allow me to study large-scale problems. As for long-term goals, well, I really enjoy the research I'm doing at the moment, so I think I'd love to continue something along those lines, whether that be in a national laboratory or in an academic setting. I haven't decided yet, but that's the two options I'm really considering strongly.